Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off past experience on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture, then it's going to show for you a window like this. Then you just click here on settings and you come to settings window here. You just wait to show for you like this. You click here on visibility here and you come to next window here. You just click here on edit your public profile and you come to next window here. Then you just go down here, then you come here to past experience. You will click here on this sign or this color, and like you see color, it's gone. That's mean past experience, it's on off now. I wish know you I get it. That's all, so just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.